Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John and today I'm back with a new makeup haul because I did buy some amazing things. I got sent some amazing things as well and I really wanted to share these things with you. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I bought is like super exciting. It's from MAC and it's one of their newest like holiday collection items, and it's a highlighter in the shade Snow Flushed. And you guys, it looks bomb. Like I seen it at like my local MAC store, and yeah, it was just super sweet and it's so shiny as well. So I had to get my hands on this one. I am going to swatch it for you as well. They do have a lot of new like lipsticks, lip glosses and eyeshadows, I guess. And yeah, they had like 2 highlighters, and you guys know that I love a good highlighter, so I had to get my hands on this one. So yeah, let's open this sweet highlighter. Ooh, it looks so nice, right? So yeah, as I said, they do have 2 new highlighters. One was like a golden one, like a basic golden one, so I thought it was like pretty and stuff, but I do have like a ton of golden highlighters already, so I wanted something different, something special. And I think that this highlighter does look like so special and so unique. The color is like so fresh. It's got like a bronzy kind of undertone, and it's like a little bit glittery, so if you don't like glittery like chunks or something, I wouldn't recommend getting this one, because this one does have a lot of glitter in it. And yeah, it just looks so amazing. Like last year they had like this golden packaging kind of, and this year they came up with this silverish one, and I think it is super sweet. It does have a mirror as well, and yeah, I can't wait to try this on my face. Next I got this gorgeous Essence palette. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's one of their new collections as well. It's a holiday collection and it's called Ho Ho Ho. It comes in 9 different shades, you guys. Like, oh my gosh. There's mattes in here and shimmery ones, and one like extremely glittery one, and I only swatched this one, I guess, at the store, and I just had to get my hands on it because it looks like super sweet. And yeah, I cannot wait to try this one out. So these are the things that I bought yesterday, which is just amazing. I'm super happy that I picked these 2 products. And now for the other stuff, like makeup related stuff, and I won a nice cute giveaway, and yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I won. So the first thing is this Beige Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and it's not only an eyeshadow palette, it's also a highlighter and I think blush. Yeah, it's a blush in there as well palette, and this is like a collaboration. Whoa. From Beige Cosmetics and Miss Bella, which is a German YouTuber. And yeah, it's just huge, as you can see, and it's got a mirror on it as well, and these like gorgeous eyeshadow shades. And I haven't swatched anything yet because I wanted to wait till I'm filming, and yeah, I think it looks super sweet. I also got 3 different fragrances, which is like insane. It's from Glow, which is like a beauty con kind of here in Germany. I think it's only in Germany, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, they sent me 3 of their amazing like fragrances, and I'm going to unpack these now. Ooh. Okay, so this is the first one. And it does look like a pill, kind of. It says "You're the show" on it. And yeah, it looks amazing. I love fragrances. Ooh, and this is like magnetic, kind of. Ooh, this is pretty amazing. The color is sweet as well. Oh no. Okay, so this one is broken, unfortunately. Okay, so I did tape it, and yeah, unfortunately this one is broken, but I think it's fine. I can still use it. I'm going to try it as well. Oh my gosh, you guys. It smells insane. Oh my gosh, and it's like so big as well. 50 milliliters. And now for the third one. Like, the size is so huge, and as I said, they do look like pills, which is pretty funny, right? So yeah, this is the third one, and I think all of them are super nice. And yeah, I smelled this one right here. It smells amazing, so I can't wait to try these out. Next I got this huge box. Like, it's not that huge, but it is heavy, you guys. It's from the brand Collab, and it's dry shampoo. Like, this box is completely full of like dry shampoo. So yeah, I might never buy dry shampoo ever again. There's 12 of them in here, and they're like 3 different fragrances. One is like the original one, then we have like a paradise one and a unicorn one. And I'm not the biggest fan of unicorns, but hey, cool box. Like, wow, I'm going to try this and maybe review it for you guys. Then I got this beautiful box from Puffin. Do you say Puffin? I don't know if I pronounce it right or wrong, but it's a sweet box, and you basically open it like this. And yes, I opened it already. And yeah, it's pink and it's sweet, and I'm basically just going to show you what's in this beautiful, beautiful box. So the first thing that's probably most exciting are these pink Pebbles hair candy biotin boosts. So these are like candy for your hair to grow. I did take like biotin, like vitamin pills kind of, for like 1 year or something, and then I basically just stopped out of nowhere. Don't ask me why, but I did have the feeling that my hair growth went like stronger and like faster, I guess. So I cannot wait to try these out. Yes. Then I got this pony puffin shape your ponytail. Ooh, it gives like your hair more like a volume, kind of. I'm going to show you like the picture of it because it looks like so interesting. So yeah, I'm so curious about it, so I am going to open it somehow. And okay, I don't know how this is going to work, and I think it's the only thing in here, right? Yes, it's the only thing in here. I have to check this out. I don't really know how to use this, you guys, but I'm going to check it out. Bag in here as well. This is pretty sweet. It says, I like big buns, and I cannot lie. And hairbands, kind of. And one is the black one, the pink one, and like a leopard one. And yeah, you guys know that I love like hairbands and stuff like that, so I'm super excited to try these. I also got this gorgeous like bag from Outfitters, which is cool. The brand is called Skinny Dip, if you're interested in bags like that. It looks super sweet. I know this is not makeup related at all, so excuse me for that, but I still wanted to include this in this video, even though it's a makeup haul. But I got like tons of like toothbrushes. Yeah, I may never buy toothbrushes ever again as well. So yeah, I got these. They are pretty sweet. They are like all vegan, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Of course, they sent toothpaste over as well. The brand is called The Humble Co. which is pretty cool. This one is a black one actually. I never tried like black toothpaste, but I was really curious when I seen it, so I'm going to try this out. And like some chewing gum from the same brand. The next two products are from NYX, and it's a lipstick. It's a matte red lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth, and the matching lip liner as well. Next I got sent 3 brushes from Real Techniques, and you guys know that I love Real Techniques. I use them in like almost every makeup tutorial I ever made, I guess. And it's like the newest collection, which is called, I don't know what it's called, but it's like this galaxy spacey kind of collection with like glitter on it, and like it's like, yeah, it looks like spacey and stuff like that. And yeah, just really am curious about if they are as soft as like the other ones, and I'm pretty sure that they are. So yeah, I cannot wait to try these out. And again, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's the Foreo, I guess. What are you? A facial cleansing brush. Oh yeah, that's pretty amazing. So I got the pink one right here, and yeah, I'm super curious about it. Like, my face is so bad lately that I'm really curious about it, and I cannot wait to try this one out and see like if my skin is getting like any better. And they also sent over like a bigger kind of bag and like this makeup kind of bag to put this massage thingy in, and a cleansing gel. The next few things are from a German YouTuber as well. Her name is Tam, and she did a collab with Ardell, and yeah, she came up with cute like eyelashes. Then we've got 2 liquid eyeshadows, and I think they look exciting, you guys. I cannot wait to like open these. Then we got a banana loose powder, which is pretty cool. I tried like different loose powders already, like setting powders, and none of them did like satisfy me at all. So I'm pretty excited to try this one out. The last thing from Tam's collection is this like deluxe brush set. Comes with a cute like bag which has a mirror in it, and like some some brushes, an eyelash curler, and like a beauty sponge kind of. And yeah, I'm super excited to try this one out as well. So that was basically the whole like makeup haul. I know I did put some things in here as well that are not like makeup related at all, but I still wanted to share them with you, my friends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, give this video a huge thumbs up please. That would make me so happy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't been subscribed to it already. Click that cute little bell so to get notifications on whenever I post a new video, guys. And I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!